That's from Sagada. This one's from Super.
Oh, it does smell like strawberries.
This one.
Very tart.
So in terms of process, that's why it's really smelling like strawberries and
Yeah.
berry fruit because it's a co-fermented coffee. So
Wow.
meaning when they put it in the sealed tanks, they added also fruits when they process the coffee and when they ferment the coffee.
Who got this one? This.
I think.
It smells sweet. This is chocolatey. Good afternoon. Hello. Afternoon. Cute. What's in the front? Cute.
Boarding pass.
Just like plastic bags. It's a party in there.
I think it's also like Fiesta.